Good morning, friends. Myself is Dr. B. Suresh Babu, Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, MVR College of Engineering and Technology, Paritala. Now, I am going to say very important information about transmission system in automobiles. Every mechanical engineer student has to learn this type of system because transmission system plays a vital role in moving the vehicle from combustion of the engine to practically we need terms. If you observe this transmission system, there are number of transmission systems are there in a automobile, but my concentration is only on how power is transferred from combustion of the chamber to the rear wheel. So here we are going to use a rear wheel system only. There are number of systems are there. Front wheel drive is there, four wheel drive is there, back wheel drive is there. Now we are going to concentrate on how back wheel drive is going to function in an automobile. By observing this one, we can able to conclude what are the things that are necessary to transmit a motion for an automobile. By the time I am going to complete this video, everyone will have a sound knowledge on how the car is moving from combustion place to or combustion portion to the rear wheel portion. By observing this video, everyone can learn how the gears are going to be operated, how differential system is going to be operated, and what is the order of the pistons. We can clearly have the idea of this one. Before going to this one, have an observation on the video. Simultaneously, you concentrate on what I am saying. It is going to helpful for the students also if this type of questions are asked in the examination point of view or in any job point of view, because these videos are quite interesting to you to learn as well as quite interesting to draw also. That means to recap also, to regenerate also. This way of representation will useful for the students. Let us go for the process how the transmission is going to be take place in the automobile. Let's have a look on this one. If you observe this one is called as the engine, where arrow mark red shows in a inclined manner the piston is going to moving. If you observe order of the piston, four pistons are there at a time. Two are going down, two are going to up. So this is the area where a crankshaft is there. That means from the piston, potential energy is transferred to the kinetic energy with help of connecting rod and the crankshaft. So you can clearly observe after crankshaft we have a flywheel is there where arrowhead is there. After that flywheel we have a clutch plate. After clutch plate, pressure plate is there. Now whatever you are seeing, that is a clutch plate. When clutch plate is going to be compressed with having a pedal, it is going to be restrict the gear wheel transmission, but engine transmission is rotating. I think you can clearly visualize this one. So pressing the clutch pedal will make the engine movement, but gear transmission is separated. That means engine can be rolled, can be moved in working condition, but transmission can be reduced. That's what here after clutch mechanism we have a gearbox. From gearbox we are going to have a lever that is going to be there. So gearbox is another type of transmission which increases the speed and decreases the speed while engaging the gear. I think you can observe gearbox, we have a mechanism and a gear rod is there. I think you can observe these three things here. To have a clear system, the gear wheels are with blue and red color. To engage different types of gear wheels, technically we will call it as a dog. I think you can observe how dog is moving when gears are going to be moved with help of a gear rod. That means the dog will engage. The pink color one is called as a dog. That will engage gear wheel. Either first means it will engage to the first wheel. Two means it will engage to the second. Third means like this here three dogs are there. I think you can clearly observe when gear is rod is moving, we are going to move the dog and dog is connected to the gear wheel. Thereby, what happened? That gear wheel in turn rotating the red wheel, and red wheel is going to rotate the shaft. I think you can observe that one very clearly. That gold color rod is going to moving regularly with help of the gear that is engaged by the dog only. That is very important here. Primary blue color shaft is rotated with the red color one, and we are engaging dogs to the blue color wheels only, and blue color wheels are in turn giving output. Red color wheels are taking the input. So as we are going to move for third gear wheel, it is going to go for the third one, and thereby system is going to move. That is called gold color is moving. If you go for next gear, you can have a glass. See how dog is moved to the gear when gear rod is connected. So this is how transmission system is going to be moving.